Hey there and welcome to Light Coaching Academy. I am Muhammad Rahman, and this video tutorial we are going to learn HTML emojis. So let's start, guys. How to use emojis in our website? It is so simple, guys. You just have to write the entity code of that specific entities. So this is the syntax of the HTML emojis. First you have to write and symbol, and after the end you have to write hash, and after the hash the code of that specific entity you have to write. You don't need to remember these codes. You just have to go on Google and search HTML emojis. Here in the W3 school website you will find list of all HTML emojis. So whenever you need an HTML emojis, you just visit in this website and know the specific entity code and use in your website. So let's use it practically in our VS Code editor. I created this file for the practical demonstration of HTML emojis. Here we will use our HTML emojis. So for the smiley face we use HTML entities and hash and 128.512. Save this file, click on go live. See, it gives us smiley face. Let's see another. Copy this, paste 13, similarly paste it again and again. 4, 5. Save this file. See, this is the HTML emojis, and these are the codes of HTML emojis. I think this is enough for the video. Subscribe our channel and click the bell button for the latest update of our channel. Thank you, guys.